Hey everyone, in today's video we'll cover an important topic, how to make your Reddit account private. I know many of you don't like that random people are following you, messaging you and constantly checking your profile. Don't worry, you can easily change that with just a few simple settings. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. You'll see an option online status. If you don't want people to know when you're active and when you're not, turn that off. Now open the settings. Here you'll see an option account settings. You should click on it and then scroll it down. You'll see an option allow people to follow you. Click on it to turn it off. Now go to the chat and messaging permissions. Now this page will appear in front of you. If you don't want people to message you, change the settings to nobody. And that's it. Now your Reddit account is way more private and secure than before. So if you found my video helpful, give it a like and drop a comment.